To enjoy uninterrupted music, Spotify's Crossfade feature creates smooth transitions between the songs. Here's how to set it up on your phone. First, you need to go ahead, open your Spotify application, log into your specific account. Then, after tap on the profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the settings page, you need to go ahead and find the Crossfade option. That option you will find in the playback, which is between content and display and privacy and social. Now you'll see the option of crossfit that is just below the auto mix option. Now go ahead and use this slider. You can adjust the crossfade slider, turn on crossfade, and use a slider to set the overlap time between songs, like 0 to 12 seconds, and a higher number means a smoother transition. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.